Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my new channel. This is how to make the ZX trick plane. I'll go ahead and show you the ZX. This is what our plane is going to look like. It's a very simple design, and I'm sure that you could probably make it just by looking at this. But if you can't, this video is here to show you how to make it and fly it. There's a lot of tricks, and there's a lot of messing around with the ZX to get it to fly right, but once it does, it's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to make it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold it in half, just like any other plane. I'm using printer paper because it seems to all planes seem to fly better when made out of just plain old white printer paper. Open your plane up and start the folds. Fold the corners in as expected. And there you go. Okay. On both sides. So now we have this. Fold in half. And then ready to start making your wings. Fold it down. Do it on both sides. And now we're going to start making the ripples in the wings, which is what makes the ZX fly like it does. Go up one more time. And down one more time. And there's the ZX wing. Same on the other side. Then stretch it out. Congratulations, you made a ZX. Alright. Oh wait, one more thing I forgot. You want to take the tips of the wings on your ZX plane. Like this. And fold it down just a bit. About that much. On both sides, and then you're done. Okay? Both sides. Should be pretty even. It's a little off, but that's okay. And there you have your ZX. So now that the ZX is finished, let's go ahead and take it for a spin. So there we go. Still got the hanger set up, so let's go ahead and switch it right here. And I'm going to fly the plane towards you. So here we go. Straight down. It's the first time I've made a ZX out of plain printer paper, so I'm not sure if it'll work as good as graph paper. It does. Alright, cool. So the thing is, you have to, it's kind of hard to explain how you throw this. It's more of a glider. But if you work with it just a little bit, it'll fly really good. So yeah. Just fidget around with it. What it's supposed to do is when you throw it, it should go forward, upside down, and so on until it hits the ground. So yeah, that's what the ZX is supposed to do. This one's kind of sucking, I don't know why. Probably because I got the folds a little bit off. So when you do this, make sure that you get the folds pretty accurate because you don't want a bad ZX, because this is a pretty picky plane, and if it doesn't work, it's not gonna work, and there's no way to fix it because you've already made those folds. Yeah, see, I screwed this one up. Since its wings are so heavy, with the folds, a normal plane wouldn't be that big of a deal. But since the wings are the most important part and the biggest part, these folds you've already made would screw up the plane if you did fix it. So if you screwed up with a ZX, you have to make a new one. Which that doesn't matter to me because I admit it's not the best plane, but it is kind of cool to watch it fly. It kind of curves. It's supposed to be like a plane that comes back to you in a way. See if it does. Almost did. So that is the ZX. Try curving the flaps up just a tad. Right. See, my father was talking to you outside. It's fixed upon it. Right, cool. So that is the ZX. Now I hope that this plane was informative, and I hope that you had fun making it. Again, not the best plane, but hey, it works for me. So yes, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.